We're down here in the basement because we get a lot of questions about how to hang things into masonry, concrete, brick, stuff like that. And there are two common ways. One is with a concrete screw and the other is with an anchor. But to do that, we need a special tool to drill the holes. This is a hammer drill, and as the name implies, it drills and also has a hammering action to get through the concrete. It's loaded with a masonry bit that's specially designed to go into masonry and usually comes with the screws that you buy, or at least on the packaging they'll tell you what size masonry bit you need. So we're just going to hang a couple hooks up here, and when you're deciding where to position these, you've got two options where to drill. You can either drill into the mortar joint, which is softer and easier to repair, or into the solid material, which is stronger and more for some bigger things like a mirror. In our case, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to go right into the solid material. So I mark my holes and then switch the drill over to the hammer action. And what I like to do is grab a little piece of tape and mark the distance of how long the screw is so I don't go too deep. Ear protection, of course. These hammer drills are really loud. And just drill down until I get to the tape. Now we just attach the hook. Now for the next hook, we're going to use the plastic anchors, and these might be a little more familiar to you. You might have them around the house. Same idea, we're going to drill a hole, then we'll tap in the plastic anchor, and then we'll attach the screw. Same idea here, just drill down until you get to the tape. Grab the anchors. Of course, tap them in. And then just screw it in like you normally would. The anchors expand inside the hole and really tighten it up. All right, now all that's left to do is to hang something.